39. It says, use the graph and table to answer the question. The first graph is about a birthday party per child at Mr. Bob's Buffet. And if you look on the line to find where the point crosses through the line, there's one right here. And then there's also one right here. So this would be at 4 and 60. So I would take 60 and I would divide by 4. So 4 can go into 60 one time. 6 minus 4 is 2. Add a 0 and bring it down. So 4 times 5 is 20. So that means it's going to cost $15 for each buffet. If you look at the table, it says this is at Sally's Pizza Safari, and it's 4 children cost $50. So $50 divided by 4. It can go one time. So that one will be $12.50. So $12.50 for each buffet. It says, Callens is comparing the prices per child for hosting a birthday at Mr. Bob's Buffet and Sally's Pizza Safari. Which statements accurately compare the price per child at the two restaurants? The cost per child is $2.50 more at Mr. Bob's Buffet than it is at Sally's Pizza Safari. His is $15 and Sally's is $12.50. So yes, that is $2.50 more at Mr. Bob's Buffet. So your answer should be A. Because it's not $5 more, it's not $10 more, and it's not $15 more. Yeah, $15 per buffet. No, like, what's the difference they asking? So 15 minus $12.50 is $2.50 more.
Oh, yeah.
This says $5 more, $10 more, and $50, which is none of those. Okay, number 40. It says, during the Indy 500, the winning car traveled at an average constant speed of 232 miles per hour. The equation D equals 232T represents the relationship between the distance D traveled by the race car in miles and the time T in hours since the driver started the race. What is the meaning of 232 in the equation, and what does it tell us about the car? The car traveled 232 miles that day. The car traveled 232 miles in 1 hour. The car traveled 232 miles since the race started. Or the car traveled 232 miles in 1 minute. Well, it says right here, 232 miles per hour. So is it per day?
No.
In 1 hour?
Yes.
Yes. So it should be B. Because it says per hour.
You good, sir?
Okay, number 41. Katie typed 600 words in 5 minutes. She compared her typing speed to the record typing speed of her school shown in this table. So 600 words divided by 5 minutes. That means I have to divide. 5 can go into 6 one time. And you have a 0 left over. So that means Katie, she can type 120 words per minute. So her school, they can type 420 words in 2 minutes. So that means 210 words in 1 minute. Golly. And 100 divided by 10 would be 10 words per minute. And then 20 divided by 2, that would also be 10 words per minute. So choose the answer that correctly compares Katie's typing speed to the record typing speed for her school. Does Katie type faster than the school record speed? Does Katie type slower than the school record speed? Or does Katie, her typing rate is the same as the record speed for her school?
Slower. Like slow.
Well, she types 120 words per minute.
God dang.
Yeah,
But the record is 210. So Wouldn't Katie's be slower? Because
Yeah.
120 is less than 210.
Way slower.